Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about blueberries up close. It's official. I finally purchased a blueberry plant. I've been eyeing this sunshine blueberry at Lowe's for a while now, and today it came home with me. So let's take a closer look at what makes blueberry plants so fun, so useful, and honestly pretty easy to grow. First, blueberries are perennials, which means they come back every single year. You don't have to replant them or start over. Once they're happy in your garden, they'll keep growing and giving you berries season after season. There are lots of blueberry varieties, but the sunshine blueberry is known for being compact, colorful, and great for warmer climates. Some blueberries grow tall like little trees, and others stay small and bushy. Sunshine blueberries usually stay around 3 to 4 feet tall and about 3 feet wide, which makes them perfect for small gardens or even big pots. Now let's talk care. Blueberries love full sun, which means they want at least 6 hours of sunlight every day. They also need acidic soil, which is just a fancy way of saying the dirt should be a little sour, like a lemon. You can buy soil made for acid-loving plants or add things like pine bark or peat moss to help. And here's a big tip. Blueberries like their soil to stay moist but not soggy. Think of it like a damp sponge, not dripping, not dry. Pruning is another part of blueberry care. Pruning just means trimming off old or weak branches so the plant can grow stronger ones. You usually prune blueberries in late winter or early spring before new growth starts. It helps the plant make bigger berries and keeps it from getting too crowded. Blueberries grow best in zones 4 through 9, which covers a big part of the United States, including right here in the South. They like warm summers, cool winters, and steady sunlight. If you live in a colder place, they can still grow, but they might need a little extra protection in winter. Now for the fun part. What can you do with blueberries? Pretty much everything. You can eat them fresh, toss them into cereal, blend them into smoothies, bake them into muffins, or make blueberry jam. Some people even freeze them to snack on later. They're sweet, healthy, and full of vitamins, which makes them one of the best garden treats you can grow. And here's a fun fact. Blueberry plants turn bright red and orange in the fall, so even when they're not making berries, they still look beautiful. They're like a plant that gives you food and puts on a show. So I'm really looking forward to watching this sunshine blueberry settle in and grow. It's small now, but with the right care, it'll be producing blueberries before long. So come along for the journey from planting to pruning to that first sweet harvest. This little plant has a big future, and I'm excited to share every step. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope you all are having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.